delicious homemade chicken stuffed eggplants, Iftar and Ramadan special, easy and affordable recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, perfect for Iftar during the holy month of Ramadan. We'll be making delicious homemade chicken stuffed eggplants. So, let's start it. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel button and ring the bell to stay updated with our tasty recipes. Now, let's jump into the ingredients. For this delightful dish, you will need the following: 4 medium-sized eggplants, 500 grams ground chicken, 1 cup cooked rice, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 tomatoes, diced, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped, 1/4 cup fresh coriander, chopped, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, ½ teaspoon cinnamon, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for cooking, 1 cup tomato sauce. Preparation. Now that we have our ingredients, let's move on to the preparation. Step 1. Preparing the eggplants. Start by washing the eggplants thoroughly. Using a spoon, carefully scoop out the center, leaving about a ½ inch border. Step 2. Salting the eggplants. Sprinkle salt on the hollowed out eggplants and let them sit for about 15 minutes. This will help draw out excess moisture, making the eggplants less bitter. Step 3. Preparing the filling. While the eggplants are resting, let's prepare the delicious chicken filling. In a pan, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and minced garlic, sautéing until they become translucent. Step 4. Cooking the chicken. Now, add the ground chicken to the pan and cook until it's browned. Season it with cumin, paprika, cinnamon, salt, and pepper. These spices will add a rich flavor to our stuffed eggplants. Step 5. Adding vegetables. Next, toss in the diced tomatoes, fresh parsley, and coriander. Mix everything well and let it cook for a few more minutes until the tomatoes are tender. Step 6. Incorporating cooked rice. Time to add the cooked rice to the chicken mixture. This will not only add a delightful texture but also make the dish more filling. Step 7. Stuffing the eggplants. Going back to our eggplants, pat them dry with a paper towel to remove excess salt. Now, generously fill each eggplant half with our delicious chicken and rice mixture. Step 8. Baking. Place the stuffed eggplants in a baking dish. Drizzle some olive oil over the top, cover with foil, and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 30 to 35 minutes. Step 9. Adding tomato sauce. Once the eggplants are almost done, pour tomato sauce over them. This adds a tangy and savory layer to our dish. Bake uncovered for an additional 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce is bubbling and the eggplants are tender. Step 10. Garnishing. Our chicken stuffed eggplants are ready. Before serving, sprinkle some fresh parsley or coriander on top for a burst of color and freshness. Perfect for Iftar or any special occasion during Ramadan. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Absolutely delicious. The combination of the tender eggplants and the flavorful chicken filling is a match made in culinary heaven. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. For more mouthwatering recipes, subscribe to our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel, and remember, good food is meant to be shared. Until next time, Ramadan Mubarak, and happy cooking. Thank you very much chicken stuffed eggplants lovers.